Hi everyone, I'm Nikki from Jexo, a fast-growing Atlassian marketplace partner that helps teams prioritize, plan and track their work with our Jira apps. Today I'm excited to show you the Portfolio Project Health dashboard for Confluence. A Confluence app that we built at Jexo together with Resolution as part of Codegeist 2021 hackathon. I also talk a little bit about our experience building it, what we learned, and what are our next steps. So first things first, what is the Portfolio Project Health dashboard and why did we even decide to build it? When working as a portfolio or project manager, keeping track of your projects in Jira is a hassle, especially when you oversee the whole portfolio. You need to know what projects are active, how many bugs were raised, the latest changes made, and so on, so you are able to prioritize work accordingly. Jira is a popular project management tool used by many organizations. However, the default Jira dashboard isn't easy to configure, which can make it difficult for less tech-savvy customers to use Jira to its full potential. What happens instead is that many managers ask for weekly status updates their teams directly, and then store information outside in spreadsheets or PowerPoint. But that's a lot of manual work for a simple status update, isn't it? Project status reports should be connected to real project data and update automatically. That being said, Confluence is another powerful platform that business and non-technical customers often prefer over Jira due to its simplicity and ease of access. So building an additional simple but informative dashboard in Confluence was our goal when designing this product. And the best and most important part about the Portfolio Project Health Dashboard app is how easy it is to set up. Once you install the app, all of your project's information will be pulled in automatically. There is nothing else that needs doing. Let's see in details what kind of information app offers. Once you install the app in your Confluence, all of your Jira projects will be visible from cross-project dashboard that displays the project key information. You can see that each project's information is visible and accessible via a compact tile. You can find there a project name, project lead, and project start and end date that you can also easily edit. To assess the health and progress of your projects, you can check any of the following metrics. Here you can see how many epics, stories and bugs were created for this project. What's the overall progress on all issues in this project? You can see the progress bar per status category. There is also a bar chart visualizing the project's issue activity today. It shows you the number of updated issues, created issues and issues moved to done. Similar information is also available to assess project's activity in the past 7 days. On this simple pie chart, you can see issues activity based on how many issues were updated, created and moved to done. And last, there is a pie chart showing you status categories of bugs in this project. If you want to check when was the last update on the issue in this project, you can check the date and hour over here. All of this information and visualization is available for every single project in your Jira. When you need to quickly find a project, you can use the search on the top to filter by project's name, and that's it. This dashboard is great. Project and portfolio managers can see the overall progress and changes done to the projects on the high level without even needing to access Jira. They can easily see projects with no activity that might require attention, or projects where no items were delivered in the last period, as well as who is responsible for the project itself, so they know who to ask for additional updates. Current version of the Portfolio Project Health dashboard from Confluence is almost ready to be published to the Atlassian marketplace. But before we do that, we just want to add project track status feature where project managers would be able to select the red, amber or green status for their projects. They will also have an option to leave status update about how their project is progressing in the text field. We also want to introduce additional filters like project lead, projects with no activity in the last 7 days, and rack status filters to make finding information easier. Once these features are added, we are planning to publish the app on Jexo's Atlassian Marketplace listing, where it will be available for free. But before I go further into what we learned, let me just quickly mention how is this app built. We use the latest Atlassian framework Forge and Nivo for data visualization. Because there are many examples of using Forge for integration, we wanted to try something different and test what are capabilities of Forge in terms of custom UI and working with other libraries. And because all Jexo's apps are currently available for Jira only, we decided we want to experiment and build an app for Confluence for a change. So what did we learn? There are 4 key points that we learned and we are taking away from this hackathon project. The first one is building apps for Confluence is as easy as building apps for Jira. At Jexo, we built apps primarily for Jira Cloud, and we didn't yet expand our portfolio to Confluence. We are grateful we've done this experiment because we learned that building Confluence apps is as simple as building apps for Jira. Now we can consider expanding our current Jexo apps to Confluence with peace in mind, knowing that we won't face many issues. Now to the second learning. Forge is production ready today. Forge evolved significantly since December 2020 when we tried it last time. Custom UI is much more flexible and we are now able to achieve similar results to what we can do with Atlassian Connect. This actually led us to the decision to build our next, more complex and UI-heavy app for risk management in Forge instead of using Atlassian Connect. Our third learning is that Forge is secure by default. One of the greatest advantages of building the app with Forge are that app security and data residency comes with Forge without even needing to worry about it. While building apps with Atlassian Connect, we spend a lot of time and resources making sure our apps are secure and meet the highest security standards. On the other hand, while using Forge, we as a vendor don't need to store any customer data outside of their Atlassian product. Which leads me to the last and most important learning. We can buy more pizza for our team. Let me explain. With Forge, we don't need to worry about hosting at all. And that's huge. The cost of servers we need to cover in order to run production, staging, and test environments for all of our apps while using Atlassian Connect is not insignificant. Building the apps with Forge will keep all these costs down and we can spend saved money on something else like, for example, pizza for our team. And that's about it for this Codegeist submission video. I hope you enjoy learning about our project as much as we enjoyed working on it. Have a great day and don't forget to give Portfolio Project Health Dashboard app a try once it's published on Jexo's Atlassian Marketplace profile for free.